online classes conducted in Presidium Indrapuram are conducted on regular basis. The teachers take their classes regularly according to the timetable with proper planned presentations, proper write-ups, and they try their best to explain the topic to the best of their ability. There are regular revisions, regular assessments, exams, and virtual PTMs which gives us the child's feedback.
Congratulations to Team Presidium for doing online sessions so well. I couldn't have asked for more. He's learning everything, which he used to learn in the classroom. There's nothing they're missing on.
Conducting these online classes in a really fabulous way, where the learning hasn't stopped in between. They've ensured that the lessons continue and that the children end up utilizing their time in the most constructive way, and they've ensured that the lockdown doesn't hamper their learning process.
Classes are extremely educative, knowledgeable, interactive and fun. Children are getting full experience of online learnings. From homework to classwork to examinations, everything is planned strategically so that children can deliver their best of their capabilities.
We really appreciate the efforts done by the teachers to immediately switch on this new medium. One, to go at the pace of the students. Two, manage the students who are absolutely tech savvy nowadays, keeping them in control and still impart the learning.
The way you have upgraded your skills and taken the education to the digital arena in the times when things are not suitable for the education, you have brought education at home.
I understand that they have gone through a lot of pain to reskill, arrange the setup, arrange logistics, okay, and also ensuring that the kids are enjoying the online classes. I can see my kids enjoying it, and all of their doubts are addressed to their satisfaction. And also I see there is a constant communication happening with the parents to address their queries and doubts. So I am very happy.
If I compare my son's studies, the rhythm, everything is really wonderful. He's learning and I can see the updations, I can see the growth in him.
The teachers of Presidium, they have worked very hard to make a smooth transition from real to the virtual learning. They have conducted the online assignments regularly, as well as they have conducted the periodic assessment and half-yearly so smoothly that I'm very happy that my kid has learned the concept so well. Thank you and good luck to the teachers of Presidium.
I'm very happy the way the online classes are conducted. They have regular spell checks, revisits and even competitions for the students.
I really want to say thanks to all the Presidium teachers for their live and interactive sessions. They've been very helpful and they give each and every child individual attention.
They are maintaining proper discipline and attendance and academic activities. Each child is provided with equal opportunities in classes. As a parent, we are totally satisfied.
PPTs and videos that are being used to teach the children are helping them learn better.
Are leaders, the leaders of tomorrow. We are the Presidians. We are leaders, the leaders of tomorrow.
The co-curricular activities are also conducted according to the scheduled timetable. There are competitions and many out-of-the-box innovative activities which makes this learning fun and knowledgeable. So as a proud Presidium parent, I would like to say that the Presidium Indrapuram has kept no stone unturned to provide the best education to their children.
The PTMs are taking place, co-curriculum is taken care of, the drawing, painting, sports even, the activities, the football classes, plus the academic is covered nicely, experiments are done, even the cooking classes are also done, and kids are super excited to attend them.
They also celebrate all the festivals virtually, which is really good. And they also conduct PTMs for the parents to keep us updated with all their performance. Apart from the academics, we are also conducting music, art, dance classes, which my daughter enjoys attending to.
The teachers are not only giving theoretical knowledge, but they are also conducting extracurricular activities.
My child doesn't need any support of mine when she's doing her work. She's independently doing. Moreover, the scholastic classes are being conducted very well, which are very important for overall development of a child. So I would always give a thumbs up to the online classes conducted by Presidium.
Special thanks to all the teachers. Means this is simply amazing that arts, music, yoga, dance, taekwondo, and everything that should have been running in regular times, which is minus COVID, all has been ensured to be executed, and the kids are being trained as the way it is supposed to be.
I would like to express my gratitude to the teachers who have adapted the online classes with a perfect blend of studies and extra co-curricular activities.
Tomorrow, we are the Presidents. Be what you want to be.
The teachers have been really doing this painstaking job, and let me tell you, it's really difficult to ensure that the class of 30 children stays attentive when you're physically not there in the age group of 8 to 12 years. It's not that easy as we think, and it's a round of applause for all teachers at Presidium. You've been doing a great job. Thank you so much.
We cannot be more happier with Presidium and its dedicated teachers who are working around the clock to provide quality education to our students. In such a short time, teachers have upgraded themselves technologically and have helped our children to cover that bridge.
This is the first time parents are getting a chance to see how their children behave with their teachers and with the kids on the online platform. A big step for the teachers to do this and not let the studies hamper.
This has been a unique challenge for the teachers, where there was a digital transformation overnight with little or no resources. My appreciations and respect to the teachers who are relentless fighters.
Big kudos to all the educators. They are doing a wonderful job. It's not easy to come out of the usual practice of educating in school versus online. So it is alike difficult for educators as well as the students.
I would like to thank the class teacher for really making the studies fun for kids.
Advay has been feeling a lot confident and independent while attending the class.
All teachers have put it their 100% effort. It's really remarkable.
प्रेसिडियम स्कूल बहुत अच्छे से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस कंडक्ट कर रहा है और पूरा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को मैं थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगी। जो टीचर्स हैं, सब्जेक्ट टीचर्स हैं, क्लास टीचर हैं, बहुत ही अच्छे से इनिशिएटिव ले रही हैं, एक्टिविटीज करा रहे हैं सारे टीचर्स।
I am thankful to the teachers, staff of Presidium for taking such care of the children and converting the hard work to smart work in a very efficient manner. Thank you.
The challenging efforts, the extra efforts put by every teacher has helped our children to grow during these pandemic situations as well.
I would like to congratulate all the teachers for the brilliant work they have been doing during this lockdown.
All teachers concerned, maybe with subject or others, they all have worked so hard, and we can all see that in the online classes. Both my kids enjoy the classes.
As a parent, I am really happy with the efforts and commitments of all the teachers. Online classes has proven to be a blessing in this time of pandemic. I have seen some tangible improvements in my child, and I truly appreciate all that the teachers are doing and the school is doing in making online classes successful.
The contribution made by the teachers and the leadership team of the Presidium Indrapuram School is worth appreciation. They have ensured that the learning continues, it never stops. I want to thank everyone who is contributing in the learning of my kids. Thank you so much for all the hard work and the efforts you are putting in. We really appreciate it as parents.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Great job. Salute to the teaching fraternity.
A big thanks to Presidium Indrapuram.
Unstoppable. We are full of energy. We are the future to be. We are unstoppable.